Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad dip easy method. Start by shredding cooked chicken and draining any excess liquid, then combine it with diced celery, sliced scallions, and chopped pickles in a medium bowl. Stir in mayonnaise and Greek yogurt for creaminess, add Dijon mustard and lemon juice for tang, then season with salt and pepper to taste before chilling briefly to meld flavors. Combine mayonnaise and Greek yogurt first to create a creamy base before adding other ingredients, which helps even distribution and texture. Add Dijon mustard and lemon juice slowly, tasting between additions to maintain balance. Mix in reserved pickle juice and freshly ground pepper, then fold the shredded chicken and vegetables gently so the dip stays chunky and satisfying. Finally, chill briefly to let flavors marry while you prepare dippers. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes anywhere, with a glare-free screen and adjustable warmth that makes following steps simple during cooking. I love its portability for kitchen reference and short pauses between tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Spoon the chicken salad dip into a shallow bowl and garnish with chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika to make it pop visually and flavor-wise. Offer an assortment of dippers like crackers, toasted bread, cucumber rounds, or carrot sticks so guests can mix and match. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge and enjoy within a few days for peak freshness and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.